you up to, Bug?
I feel like I have a parrot on my shoulder. Polly, want a cracker? Crack! Huh? What? You don't like that? Okay, you're not a parrot. Alright. What? Tell me? Just give me a secret.
Go ahead, make her talk like a parrot.
A parrot? No, she don't want that.
She's like,
I'm out of here. No.
Bug. Hey, Bug. What you doing? Are you trying to snuggle with Daddy? You gonna lay on his chest? No? Sing up.
Down.
Like, doggone it. What'd you do to your sister? Huh?